Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart latest tweets plugin, and in today's video tutorial we'll be showing you how the web store admin would now be able to display any Twitter user tweets on your OpenCart web store by simply adding the Twitter username. So let's see how the customers can see the latest tweets at the storefront and how the admin can manage the status of the plugin itself. So for that, let me take you to the storefront first, and then we'll be seeing how the admin can configure the OpenCart latest tweet plugin from the admin backend panel within the module configuration settings. So all in all, now you can display your Twitter tweets on your OpenCart platform based web store as well, so as to display all of the tweets to your customers there. So now let's go to the storefront. So right now I'm at the OpenCart platform based web store, and here you can see that I've added on the home screen we have the latest tweets, and here the customers can find this particular tweets window, as you can see. And here you can see all of the latest tweets that have been tweeted from the respective Twitter username, and that has been configured by the admin from the backend panel. And right now you can see it's 1 minute ago, new release, try our Magento 2 based virtual try on glasses and sunglasses extension. And similarly you can see the rest of the tweets as well. So if I tap here on this particular section, I can scroll down and can check the rest of the tweets as well. Here you can see that we have a tweet that the Webkul has joined the Meet Magento 2020 Indonesia on time, and similarly the rest of the tweets as well. And the tweets can also be visible like this on the left hand side as well, as per your own requirement. You can set them up as per your need, and after tapping any of the links there, they'll be opened up in another window. So to make use of this plugin, you'll have to have the Twitter keys, the API keys, and the rest of the keys there that are required for the configuration. So for that, let me take you to the user guide of this particular plugin, and let me show you how you can get that up. So what you need to do is you will find the keys, details, and the access token only after creating a Twitter application. So you'll just go to the Twitter, create an application, and tap on the create your Twitter application. And thereafter you just need to enter some of the details for your respective account that you're going to create. And after your Twitter application has been created, you will be receiving your consumer key, secret key, access token, and the access secret token as well. So here you can see under the application settings, under the tab that's the keys and the access tokens, we have the consumer key and the consumer secret. And under the your access token, we have the access token and the access token secret. Now let's go to the admin backend panel, and let's see how we can configure this particular plugin from the admin backend panel under the module configuration settings. So here I'm at the OpenCart platform based web store admin panel, and I'll be logging into my admin backend panel. And after the successful installation of this particular plugin, to make the initial configuration settings, we just need to navigate through extensions, and then we have the extension installer. I'm sorry for that, let's go back. So we need to navigate to the section. So we can basically also install this particular extension by uploading the zip or the XML file through the upload button here, and then we just need to tap here on the continue button to basically install the particular extension. And after installation, just navigate to modules. Here go to the product name itself. So we have to scroll down to the latest tweet. As you can see, we'll just tap here the edit button, and this brings up the latest tweet configuration settings, as you can see. So from here you can set up the module name that you want to set up, and this would be visible to the customers at the storefront. You can enable or disable the particular functionality for your OpenCart web store. If you want to enable the Twitter what we say as tweets at your store, you just need to enable this up. You can also enter multiple Twitter usernames and can display those tweets for those particular usernames that you've entered here, and they all should be separated by a comma. And you can set the module title as well. You can set the number of tweets that should be visible within that particular box, as we have already shown you. We can set the height of the module itself. or the block that we saw at the storefront. We can set the up header, we can enable or disable that. We can choose the top bar color, and then we need to enter the consumer key, consumer secret key, access token, and the access token secret that you've received, as we have already shown you. And thereafter you just need to tap here in the save configuration button to make the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin itself. It depends where you want to display that up, and you can do that by making use of the layout itself. So that was much about the OpenCart Twitter latest tweet plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can get back to us at support@webkul.com. We may raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. You can also go through the live demo, store link, and the user guide for this particular plugin added within the description below for this particular video. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.